Welcome to Life with Makajeni. I am Uma Kajeni. On this channel, we are unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about Ufloyd Shibambo. Yesterday, guys, it was confirmed that Ufloyd Shibambo is no longer the SG of the MK party, and Mr. President Zuma also confirmed the news. It was very sad seeing his Peter Ufloyd Shibambo, and I just felt for him, even after what he did to President the EFF, which is Julius Malema, and after what he did to all the EFF members, guys. After Floyd Shibambo resigned last year, August, from EFF, a lot of people, they were so sad because they believe in leadership of Floyd, and they believe that it is true leader. And after he announced that he'll be joining Umkhonto weSizwe, he was so confident, guys, which, you know what, this thing will happen. And he said he believed in ruling the way Mr. Jacob Zuma arulanga khona. But funny enough, the time I part of EFF, he was against Jacob Zuma. Jiggling Jacob Zuma, Sarai president of the MK party. He has his own party. Then he is joining that party, guys. I just felt like Floyd wanted better opportunities. But again, yesterday he was removed from being the SG of the MK party. We don't know what will happen to him. But people Malema was asked about this whole situation, and he said this.
I don't work with Floyd anyway. Parliament or soccer match or anything. I don't work with Floyd. I'm ingena into a Floyd. So I'm not getting involved. I am queen. So it's not our problem. We are in Parliament. We are working in Parliament. And that's it. If he comes to Parliament, he will find us rolling. The Parliament now is run by young boys. Young people are running that thing. And if he comes then thinks he can impose himself on them, they are already ready for him. So you can be rest assured he will not do anything that can undermine the superior logic of the EFF in that.
I think for the first time, Malema has answered Umbono ukuthi happy, and I do feel good to Malema Yamzwela Floyd. Remember, Malema and Floyd, they were not only working together, but they were like brothers. He used to say Floyd is the brother that I never had. Malema would say, Mina, Floyd abantwana bambamazi as my brother. Floyd will talk to my kids, but what Floyd did to Malema, it was very dirty, guys. Just imagine when this person is resigning from the part, the person is joining the other part, and the lap of the party is from 10% to 9%. You understand? It was a lot on Malema's plate last year. And remember, after MK, a lot of people joined the MK. A lot of people, other people who joined MK, they were from EFF. That 1% in Namugi EFF, ESG MK. So it was very sad for Malema. But again, when they say God will answer your prayers, they are talking about this. Floyd now, we are more than Joguti, who's stressed, and he I think his political career has ended because there's no other party as you join. Ufile Mbalula is vocal about how they do not want Floyd to ANC. Which other party as you join? Because I do know what it is. Which part as I join? Do I think Malema will forgive Floyd? Yes, I do. Because Malema truly loved Floyd and believed in leadership of Floyd. And I think Malema, if he'll forgive Floyd, I don't think Floyd will also be a member of the Parliament. Angaba nje a friend Malema and other things, but him coming back to the Parliament, obvious, even a lot of EFF members won't be happy with that decision because Floyd has proved to fighters that he's a backstabber, this person. You know, if he did like Dr. Sandlov, just resign, because Dr. Sandlov, I have resigned, I still believe in leadership, I'm still a EFF member, just don't want to be in Parliament. I just wanna move from politics, but I'm still an EFF member. So now because anyway, at the end of the day, end of ballot paper by one. So he showed, and you know that time, if you could watch this piece of Floyd last year talking about Jacob Zuma, people warning him about the party is not the party of Jacob Zuma, party of Tutuzani Zuma, because la pagula party Kaliskatulo Sarah Tutuzile Zuma, sorry for saying Tutuzan, Sarah Tutuzile Zuma. He didn't listen. Malema usho kahle yena aya queen. Now people are saying they don't want Floyd. Aye, bazala bami, so please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.